Let's change the thermostat in this FC150 with Kaiser Willys parts. Anytime you're working on the cooling system, make sure it's cold and that there's no pressure in the system. You only need to drain it down to the level you're working at. Find a clean container and open the drain. Remove the clamps and upper radiator hose. There are 3 5/16 bolts holding the thermostat housing to the head. You never know what you'll find in here. Do not use silicone on this job. Make sure both surfaces are clean. Today I'm going to use one of the new Willys owner products from Kaiser Willys. This is a beautiful brass thermostat made in USA. Once you get everything back together, top it off with coolant. I like to fire up the engine, but leave the cap off until it comes up to temperature. That'll purge all the air from the system. You may need to top it off a little bit more before you put the cap on. Keep an eye on the temperature, check for leaks, and you should be good to go.